lose or forget your key again? Your renters or employees leave without returning the key? Want to know who has opened your door and when? Need higher security level for sensitive doors? You need a smart lock. Introducing UltraLock UL3BT, the world's first Bluetooth-enabled fingerprint and touchscreen smart lever lock. UltraLock is simple, just touch to open. Everyone's fingerprint is unique and no one can steal it from you. Our advanced fingerprint technology uses a scratch-proof, dust-proof, and waterproof sensor to make unlocking easy and secure. It identifies you in less than 0.5 seconds. You can also gain access through a 4 to 8 digital password with up to 100 million different combinations and unique anti-P password technology.
Are you worn out from all the hustle and bustle of everyday life? Sometimes all you want is just to have a rest. But it seems like you can't escape from all the noise surrounding you.
Then using a and then set it.
How can we get some silence into our busy lives? Introducing Muso, a revolutionary anti-vibration acoustic device. Muso is the first device that applies anti-vibration technology for smooth surfaces.